Welcome to WERKS. Today's video will be the first part in a 4-part series of a DIY turntable display for photography purposes. It has 3 3D printed parts, 1 microwave motor, 2 screws which are M5 by 0.8mm by 30mm long and standard M5 nuts, 1 turntable, and 1 rubber band for the wheel. I designed all the parts using FreeCAD and will make them available on Thingiverse and Things. Here's a screenshot of the motor mount in FreeCAD. Here's a screenshot of the drawing process for the turntable motor mount in the order that I produced them in FreeCAD, along with a sketch showing dimensions in case you want to try designing your own turntable in FreeCAD. Here's a view of the finished motor mount. Here's a view of the model in Cura. Here's a view of the printer settings I used in Cura. Here is a view of the time and materials in Cura. The motor mount model printed with no issues using my Creality CR10 and PLA material. Here's a speeded up shot of the turntable print. The model printed really well and the parts assembled without issue. You will see a prototype in action in this video and the results turned out pretty well. I refined the original prototype to overcome some issues such as assembling the clamp to the motor mount with slots for nuts, which didn't keep pressure from the wheel on the turntable base. That issue resulted in stalling of the turntable. I looked for a DIY turntable and seen some good ones, but none I really liked, so I designed and made my own turntable. Thanks for watching WERKS, and please subscribe, like, and comment.